Hi, I'm going to do a review about my JG MP5-A4 Airsoft gun. This gun, as you can see, it's an electric gun, so it's fully automatic, and I'm going to show you inside. So, inside the box it has a ICAP loader, ICAP magazine, the battery and the charger. Here is the battery. It's a mini type, and the charger. The battery is a good battery. It only takes around 4 hours to charge it fully. So as you can see, the magazine is ICAP. You put the BBs over there. So you turn this to put the BBs up, and it has a manual too, with the instructions about the gun. So I'm going to show you the gun. This gun is a replica about the Heckler MP5-A4. As you can see, it has a slider switch from the both sides. Now the weapon is on the safe mode. Now it's on the semi-auto mode, and now it's the fully auto mode. This is the hole where you put the magazine. You can see the gearbox. The gearbox is full metal. The gun is real powerful, so the gearbox is resisting. And here is the cocking, where you can pull this down and do this. It's to be more like the real one. So here is the rear sights. These rear sights are full metal, and the gun is very accurate. The gun looks like this when you. So it's a good gun, I think. Yes. The battery. You put the battery here. You take it. You put like this. You connect this to cables, and then you cover with this. I'm not going to do that now. So finally, this airsoft gun is a good airsoft gun. I advise everyone to buy this. But like all airsoft guns, you need to take care of them. So I bought this silicone oil. You should put this on the gearbox when you do around 10,000 shots. It helps you to keep the gun healthy, I say. So thank you.